Bonjour, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's session will be discussing Passé Composé, okay, past tense. Let's come on. So this is your past tense, le passé composé, past tense. So what is this past tense? Which means we have three things: sujet, subject, auxiliary, participe, passé. Subject, auxiliary, and participe, passé. Okay, so subject. So what all your subject and auxiliary and participe passé? For this subject, you should know normal your je, tu, il, elle. That's your subject. So here your auxiliary, we have two auxiliary versus être or avoir. These two are your auxiliary. Être. So this you have to know the conjugation of present être conjugation. Okay, when you do a past tense, passé composé, whenever you're gonna do a past tense, first of all you should write the present tense of être and avoir side. You should make a note on the side. You should write the present tense of être and the present tense of avoir. With these two conjugation, only you can do the passé composé. So what is the present tense? Je suis, tu es, il est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils ont, elles ont. And for avoir, AI, AS, AVONS, AVZONT. D'accord? So this is your conjugation of verb avoir. These two things is très important. It's very important. So this is your auxiliary verbs, être or avoir. For this, you should need your participle. This is the formula. A subject, auxiliary, you have two things, être or, and participle is nothing but what all the verb, what all the infinitive you are choosing for that. If the word is ending with er, you have to use e. And if it is re, you have to use you. Okay. So next is nothing but same as before. For this, I say subject plus your present award. This you know the conjugation, and similar you should know the ether conjugation. Okay. So if you are choosing the verb partir, par, if you are using the verb parler, parler, okay, that is parler. For this, you should know this tabular column. Dr. Mrs. Wantratrom. Okay, so this is your helping verb. With help of this helping verb, you can conjugate your past tense. This is the helping verb. This is actually 17 verbs are there. Dr. Mrs. Wandra Thomas, which means devenir is to become, revenir, mourir, retourner, sortir, venir, arriver, naître, descendre, entre, rentre, tomber, rester, aller, monter, partir, and passer. So this is the 17th group of verbs. So for this helping, you should short form as Dr. Mrs. Vandratram. So D is nothing but devenir. R is your revenir. So easy way to remember these words, we use this Dr. Mrs. short form. Okay. So here for this letter with the help of V means you should remember is venir. And that is a two P is partir and passe. Okay, so you should remember all this letter. If this letter comes alone, you should use a conjugation être. See, aller, sortir, partir, entre, retourner, naître. These are all the words we saw in that tabular column. If it is there, we should use être conjugation, the help of your subject. Okay, je suis. If it is aller, je suis aller. So as I said, aller, er, you should have e accent. So that is your, this is your infinitive, all. So this comes your participles, all, e accent. Okay. And for il, tu, you should have sortir. If it is ir, you should use I. If it is re, you have to use you. So these are all the example is being given here. And these words, for this, see this example, aller is given here. So you have given here aller. Okay? So alert, jesui ale. See that ale verb alert. We have this jesui alle, ALLEX. So that example has been given. Jesui alle or tu a alle. Okay. So this is your example. See, jesui alert. One verb is given. Alert means how to do with ether conjugation. Jesui or ELLEX or remo. Then you should add in this the accord, which means if it is your feminine, you want to add E, and if it is your plural, you want to add S. If it is masculine, plural S, and if it is feminine, plural, you should add yes. If you have a doubt whether it is a masculine or feminine, you should add in a bracket E. Okay, and if it is not, these things are not, these words are there not in this Dr. Mrs. These words, apart from this some other verb they're giving, you should choose it as like a verb conjugation. You should write this award and you should participate say parlor. P is not only two P, so this P is not the only partir passe is given. Parlor is not there, so you should use a verb conjugation, and this PARL ER changes into EX. And similar to dear ER, finir IR changes into I. Fair FAIRE changes into, this is an exception, you have to use FAIT. LIRE, leer, RE ending, so as I said, is LU. Prondra is only PRIS. These are all a very important exercise. You should remember how to do this in past tense. So, two things, award plus etre and your participacy. For this participacy, you should know if it is verb ending with ER, EXO, if it is IRI, and if it is RE, it's you, and it is prendre or any other verb, which is you have to use IS. Record. And this to employ to tell the 11 past to talk about is usually yesterday. I went to my friend's house. So these are all the sentences we have to say yesterday or month, last month, or there are 10 years. When these things come, the sentence we're using the past tense. Record. I hope you have understood. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Thanks for watching.